Respected faculty members and all my dear friends. My name is Ala Tejavardhan, studying in R&D Engineering College. I would like to share a project that I did today regarding the temperature monitoring system. That is using LM35 sensor. Before moving to the project, I would like to share some few points regarding this project. This is especially a more important project and it has some special significance because so far what I did projects are by using connecting the Bolt cloud to the Bolt Wi-Fi module. Now, what if you want to connect to the Bolt to your own cloud? Actually, the cloud is nothing but it is a sum of systems like servers, database, software, storage network, and more over the internet. But the most important part of cloud is server. A server, all we are familiar that a server is a system which includes software and suitable computer hardware response request across the computer network to provide a network service. Okay, I said that it is this is somewhat different in how means as I already said that previously I did the projects by using the connection of the only using Bolt Cloud and Bolt Wi-Fi module. Actually, the Bolt Wi-Fi module does not have an operating system. However, with digital version, we can give it a remote OS by using the digital version. It's nothing but a server. Digital ocean is a server. So here I am using that in order to give a remote access operating system to the Bolt Wi-Fi module. That means we can collect our sensor information from the Bolt module and move the data to the remote server, use the OS and server to process it and send values back to the devices to control it. That's amazing, right? That's what I said that it is somewhat special. Okay. In this video, I will tell you how to build a temperature monitoring system that can measure temperature and send SMS if the value of the temperature goes too high or too low based on the threshold value we set. In this video, we shall learn to build such a system. Actually, the story is not a fictional. It is an actual story that happened at pharmaceutical company and commercially available device by the name BTH. We are using this monitoring system. Why means in India, over a 6 lakh liters of blood is discarded every year due to poor handling and unattended storage facilities in blood banks. So these companies face huge losses due to poor monitoring on the product. It not only affects the pharma and medical industries, but also leads to valuable data loss and mission damage in data counters or servers across the country. The problem is that traditional data loggers and chart recorders we are using present in such facilities do not offer real-time visibility and alerts. So how we have to overcome that is nothing but I already said that by using the BTHM. So we have to replace this outdated system and get a real-time visibility in a way such that it is cost-effective and scalable. So by using BTHM, nothing but bold temperature humidity monitoring system. So that what is the working of this means? What it does means if a temperature crosses a particular threshold, the BTHM sends you instant alerts or calls, SMS, or emails. This means that we can sleep peacefully at nights while the BTHM constantly monitors product facilities 25 by 7 every day. It comes with a dedicated online dashboard where we can download and visualize our data accurately. We can also download custom reports and we can decide on which mode we can get alerts. Just we have to what the thing we have to do means just we have to log into the dashboard. That's really amazing, right? So we can protect all our valuable information without losing it due to the traditional data loggers and chart recorders in the outdated technology by using this BTH. Okay, actually we are using this BTHM for a large scale industries and for a large factories in a very wide production facilities. But for doing this such type of simple projects and small projects, just to create awareness among the people by giving just demo, we are using the popularly famous sensor LM35 temperature sensor. This is one of the type of the temperature sensor. I think here clearly it is visible on the screen. I'm presenting you that LM35 sensor. First of all, we have to know the working of this. It is nothing but friends. It works on the fact that when the ambient temperature of transistor changes, so does the current flowing through it. It has transistors in several amplifiers packed into a small space. It allows it to convert this change in current to change in voltage. That means finally whatever the current flowing through it, it can converts into the form of voltage. But that means we are getting the output in terms of voltage. Remember this friends, we can talk about this in the at the last of this video. That means we are getting the output in terms of voltage. Okay. The main concept of this LM35 sensor is that it can detect the temperature at a particular place. So if the temperature of a region where LM35 sensor placed is increases, then the voltage across LM35 sensor also increases. If you say the temperature of the region decreases, then voltage also get decreases. Because LM35, before saying this friends, I already did the projects regarding LDR, light dependent resistor. In that we used the concept of voltage dividing circuit separately in order to measure the output there. So here I am not using the voltage dividing circuit process into this. Means how, why means friends, because whatever the temperature sensor I am using here LM35, which have already an internal voltage divider circuit, so we can interface it directly. So there is a no need of separately using the voltage divider circuit for our measurements. Okay friends, so this is the LM35 sensor. Now we can show you that this is nothing, it is a simple sensor friends. It has three terminals. Is nothing but I'm showing here friends, the first terminal is power supply, that is VCC, and the second terminal is output, and the third terminal is ground. That's it friends about this. Now we can show you the code how to execute this. But what our main motto is friends, we have to get an SMS whenever the temperature at a particular location increases the threshold value what we kept, or suppose decreases the threshold value what we set. Okay friends, now I will show you the code friends. This is the code friends. By using this code, I can get the values of the temperature through my mobile from from at any place I am. Okay, friends. Here I written code friends, import one from Bolt IoT, import SMS, Bolt, import JSON, whatever it means. All the code, whichever is necessary in order to get the SMS, all the code I written friends. Here one thing I have to differentiate to you friends. What means friends? The main thing is what you have to identify is that friends. Previously, I written the code in the Bolt cloud itself. I said already before starting of this video only, I said friends, what means comparing to the previous projects what I did, this project is specially have some special significance. Why means because I am connecting to the Bolt Python library using the digital version. I already explained you friends. So that in this Bolt Python library, I am executing this code, and after that executing, so that I will connect to the my Bolt Wi-Fi module by this remote operating system. It gives a remote access operating system to the Bolt Wi-Fi module using the DigitalOcean platform, so that we can handle it by using our Bolt Python library or any other external source, and we can connect to the our Bolt Wi-Fi module. That's why it is very special thing. So here I completed the all code friends, whatever it is required, and I set the temperature level sensor friends, sensor limit and sensor here minimum limit I said 300 friends and maximum limit 600. So if the temperature value goes above or below means I can get the whatever the temperature reading is going. That all the information I will get the friends, so that we can avoid the problems of blastings. Daily generally we are seeing in our day-to-day life so many due to short circuits or due to over voltage, so many blastings in fact is explosions are occurring. So that by using this technology we can avoid it friends. That is our main motto. So here I get sleep of 10 seconds friends, so that for every 10 seconds it will update the information. So now I will run the code friends. Seeing the code. We're running the code friends. We're seeing on the screen. You can clearly see here, friends. Whenever I run the code, executed the code, it's showing the reading sensor value. Sensor value is 320. So status of SMS is queued. That means for every 10 seconds, friends, automatically it will get updated and send the information. So whenever it will get high or low means it automatically updates us. So I will receive here the SMS friends. SMS of here this showing status of SMS is queued. So I can show you friends here. So friends, we can able to see the SMS in my mobile friends. I will showing you. Here we can able to see clearly friends. I am showing the SMS to you. I think it is clear to you friends. What here message is I am reading friends. Sent from your the account. The current temperature sensor value is 320. I think it is clear friends. Like this, we can get the SMS alert. Whenever there is a increase in temperature above the threshold value, what we set, or the below the temperature threshold value, when there is a decrease of temperature, we'll get automatically an SMS alert. By this, we can control it from the position where we. That's the main concept. So that I said it is an special project when compared to my previous project. That's it, friends. And I have to show that I used the sensor now, friends. What our main concept is, 1 minute, friends, I will show you this. Friends, this is the sensor, friends. LM35 sensor I used, friends. This is the Bolt Wi-Fi module. Friends, I already said no, friends. What I said, my main concept, what I discussed here, friends. Normally, I did using this Bolt Wi-Fi module and Bolt Pro. So, in order to connect to the other external server in this world, by using that, we can operate there by using our any other platform coding, and we have to access remotely the operating system, giving it to the Bolt Wi-Fi module. By using that digital version or any other platform we can use. That's it, friends. And this is the LM35 sensor, friends. Already shown in the PowerPoint presentation, friends, and explain. It has mainly three terminals. One is power supply, second one is output, and third one is ground. That's it, friends. Thanking all my faculty members and all my dear friends, and for all the people who are watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.